12, I built my first company. At 13, I had 5 employees. They did all the work. I kept 70% of the money. I said, hot damn, I know what I'm going to do when I grow up. I'm going to be a business owner.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. The American Barbecue Systems, baby.
An awful lot of successful business owners are successful because they understand the numbers. Let me put it to you another way. One of the things they told me was this: you can sell like a madman and run out of money all day long. And if you're not making money, then you're out of business.
You see, you know why? You know why? You know why?
I look at this audience and I think about all of the contractors that do business with ECP that couldn't make it here because they were running to urgent at the expense of the important. At least you people have the balls to be here. That you could see that if you could take 2 days out of your business life, the day-to-day, the urgencies, and focus on the things that are important that you can learn here, that it would absolutely be a leveraged opportunity. Second law is the law of responsibility. And the law of responsibility says we are responsible for the outcomes we experience. When you care more about the customer than you do about the sell, you will sell more than anyone else out there. When you care more about them than you will sell more than anyone else out there.